Hi everyone. So today I'm going to build a super simple email AI agent. So we need the Spectrum platform, and for knowledge base we need the Google Doc. So for Google Doc, as you can see, I have listed down a couple of names and corresponding email IDs. So the first one, this is my own email ID. So if any email comes, we will see here. So I already have created the workflow and we can just test it out, and then later I'll show you how I created step by step. So I'll just write, can you send an email to Subhankar for dinner? And as you can see, just followed step by step process. Now if we go to the Gmail, okay, yes. We can see the dinner invitation for Subhankar. Hi Subhankar, I hope you are doing well, and we go. So it's working fine. Now what I'll do, I'll just start creating from scratch. So I'll go here and create a new one. So what we need to do? So we need to retrieve the email corresponding to name, right? So we need to create a knowledge base. So we already have a knowledge base that we'll delete. So we came here in resource and we'll create a knowledge base out of this document. So it is completed. Now we can go to knowledge base and we can see we added the knowledge base. Now we'll go to conversational apps, agent flow, and this is the new one. So we want to retrieve the knowledge search, right? So we will retrieve based on the query coming from the user. So we'll go and add the KV we created. Once the KV is done, what we'll do? We want to retrieve email ID and the name corresponding to the name user is asking. So we'll go here, we can rename, okay, retrieve. Just go add the result coming from the knowledge search, and then we'll add prompt, right? So once we have that, we also want to get a structure output. So in order to make sure the output coming from the AI model uh, uh, are what we want. So we'll go to output variable, structure output we want. We just replace that we need the name and the email address. You also can take help from ChatGPT. That is what I did. Once I have that, I can retrieve that name and email address using a custom code function. So I'll add a custom code function where the input is the structure output. And from the structure output, what we need is the email ID, because that is the email ID we'll send the invitation. We'll add in our output variables once we have that. Okay, so what we have? We have email ID, from the knowledge base. Now we have to send a email. So for that reason, we need a email block. So that I will add it here. Email, we want to send an email, so we'll add it. From here, this email account, I already authenticated using the OAuth 2. If you didn't authenticate, then you just need to follow 1, 2 steps and you can just easily do it. Now we need to have two. So where here we'll send this email ID we got from the custom function. Now we need to add subject and body. So who will decide the subject and body? So we'll add two AI block that will create. So one AI block for generate like email subject generator, and another block we can add body generator, right? So for subject generator, how it will do, we'll take the context coming from the query and we will prompt it that, okay, take the query and just create a subject for that query. If somebody is asking for a dinner invitation, so the subject will be request or invitation for dinner, right? So can you write a subject of a email for this query? And similarly, we'll have two sentence of the body. We'll follow the same process. Query is coming and using the query. Okay, now we have everything. So we got the email ID where we need to send the invitation. We got the subject and we got the body. Right now we have everything. Answer block, we don't need to do much. What we'll do, we'll right now test it. It seems like it should work. In order to trace, we also can check it that there are all those block one after another. It worked out. So we can see a email has gone to the Subhankar. Now we'll go and check it out. As you can see that invitation request for Subhankar. I hope this message finds you well. Right. So from this video, I wanted to show you how it is easy to create a AI email agent using no code visual builder in Expectrum AI platform. Please try it out. Thank you.